Well, it is March 22nd and another dip in the pool of 2025. It feels so good. So relaxing. And all from solar. We heated the pool. It's actually at 90 degrees right now. I heated it up a little extra because I'm going to keep the cover off, and that'll help it cool down 1 or 2 degrees. So we're in the pool 2 months before our neighbors. Their pool's probably still in the low 50s. And we're 90 degrees, 40 degrees higher. That's what you can do with off-grid solar. A couple of solar panels, a couple inverters, some wire, batteries, you're good to go. That's it. Enjoy your day.